So I jumped ship in Hong Kong and I made my way to Tibet, where I got a job as a ripper. You know, a jock, a professional caddy. Well, I get there, and who do they give me but the Dalai Lama himself? Now, the Dalai, he's a hard hitter. He swings and hits one to the base of a 10,000-foot glacier. I get there and I says, "Hey, Dalai, how about a little something for the effort?" And he says, "You will receive nothing now, but when you die, you will receive eternal happiness." So I have that going for me, which is nice.
So I got that going for me, which is nice.
Sound check.
Sound check. That was perfect sound check.
What are we doing here?
Unboxing.
Unboxing.
But do you know why?
Are we doing a Frono's Moto?
Frono's photo.
Oh, that's pretty good, actually.
Frono's
Look
Moto.
at you. Look at
We'll
you.
do a sniff test.
I don't do sniff tests. You never know what's coming in on these boxes.
I gotta
these
pump
days.
up some biceps if I'm gonna do a Frono's photo.
He does have a bit of a pump, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Well,
I got a little more hair too.
a lot more hair than me. All right. So yes, we're doing an unboxing.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
What for?
Because we got a sponsor.
Yay!
All right. I'll
Box. Okay.
All right. Who goes first? I got the bigger one.
Okay, you go first.
You go first. Okay. Here, I'll let you do the honors, though, sir. I don't know exactly what's coming in here. I got an idea of what we, has been sent for what we need, but he said he was going to throw some extra stuff in here, so I don't know exactly what's happening.
We've had our eye on their stuff anyway. So.
I know. We were going to get soft baggage anyway, and these came down to the short list, so here we are.
Nice.
All right,
Let's start pulling things out.
All right, let's grab that.
Whoa!
We'll take this down. I'll hand you some.
Yeah. Okay, that sounds good. Here, we'll keep it the Frono's photo sniff test.
All right, so that's just weird, dude. All right, so some of the things that we're getting saddlebags.
Yes.
Set for me and a set for you.
Soft-sided saddlebags.
Soft-sided saddlebags.
These are called the
Sierra saddlebags, and then there's also a Sahara dry bag.
Okay. For the top.
Correct. This is the Sierra dry saddlebag.
Oh, that's
you
the
want to pop that open
saddlebag.
and take a look at it?
Sure.
All right. Well, pull off some plastic there. This is
That
like
must be-
Christmas. There's no rules.
Rules in my house.
Is there? That's unfortunate.
All right. This is your 30-liter dry bag.
Okay. Good.
All right.
These are the saddlebags. They're soft bags. They also come with a protective side, so you can go ahead and connect them to the existing rack. I'm pointing down here like you can see my motorcycle, which is in the foreground. But then I asked for black, so we got the black with the yellow logo with the Rigg gear here.
Very
awesome.
cool.
So of course there's two of them because they're saddlebags, plural.
A left and a right.
I'm
what's
sure
this?
that's-
What's this?
Extra stuff.
That's
This is one of the things that you liked particularly.
super lightweight inner liner, so you can have all your stuff packed in your house or whatever. Just pick it up and drop it in the bag. How clever!
Yeah, love it.
And these are really light. I'm using the GV hard cases, the GV panniers. That they're like these metal boxes. But this is great. Very cool.
Very cool. You get a set just like this.
Awesome.
Yep. So we'll put that aside. I'm sure we'll do a short video on installation or a time lapse or something.
And we'll definitely, once we get on the trail, back to the TransAmerica trail, we'll be doing a full-on review.
Correct.
Once we've been able to beat them to crap.
See how they turn out. All right. So I have a bunch of little stuff over here that we can go over in just a second.
That's your 30-liter dry bag.
There's a 30.
This is the 15-liter.
Well, we can look at a comparison.
I'm imagining that's going to go on your... that's a very nice size. I'm imagining that's going to go on your back of your seat or something.
Well, I have the duffel as well that I have the option of, so I'm not exactly sure how the configuration is going to go, but I do know that I've got more stuff than I need to pack.
Okay.
You know what I mean,
You have options.
I have options, and you can spread it out between the team. You know what I'm saying?
Absolutely.
That's
Very
cool. So a 15 and a 30, and 2 sets of saddlebags. I'm
Two sets
supposing
of
the other saddlebags are in there. Let's go ahead and see if there's anything else.
This is the other saddlebag, so I'm going to guess that's the same as what you...
Correct. You'll take that home with you. What's in that box?
Well, what's in that? You've got a ton more
We
still.
got a ton. We got raincoats.
Ooh, I love it. Waterproof pack jacket. That's really cool because it's compact. Nice.
We also have
Oh, little backpacks.
Little backpacks.
Yep, very cool.
3 of those.
So these will be cool for just throwing your camera or whatever, you know, your flip flops in if you're just gonna run to the loo, as they say in England.
There you go. And then tool rolls, apparently.
Oh,
3 of
very
those.
Cool, very cool.
That's awesome.
I've been needing a really cool tool roll.
Well, let's see what that looks like, actually. And while I'm opening this, grab you that box. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. Very cool.
Wow. So you'd be able to see your gear even if you're changing a tire late at dusk or something.
Something like that. And I'm supposing this is going to be the other bags, the duffels.
Yeah. Would it be really bad if I like
Yes,
sliced open
that
the-
would be terrible. All right. Pull those out of there, and I will move the box.
Oh man, those are awesome.
Those are huge. So yeah, those will go on the back. They got a hard bottom, so it'll resist a little bit of sagging.
Uh-huh.
But that's plenty of room for just about anything.
Very cool.
Made out of the same material as the dry bags were.
Uh-huh.
Comes with the straps, of course. Here's the inserts, the bottom liner and the sides for the inserts if you want to use it or not, apparently.
Again, super light but super tough material. That is beautiful made, guys.
Wonderful.
So this is the
I'm
40.
digging it.
That's the 40 liter.
40 liters.
And
So
they
we got two 40s,
Uh-huh.
we got a 30, we got a 15, then we got 2 sets of saddlebags, then we got all the extra stuff we threw in there.
That's really nice.
But this is just the adventure series. Check the website out. It's pretty cool.
I love it.
Indeed, man.
Thanks everybody at Rigg Gear. We are super stoked. We're looking forward to supporting you guys and putting these bags through the test. This is going to be awesome. What else?
It's right there.